Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute Accepting Your Authentic Self meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees, facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Let's take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, and with a big sigh, exhale it all out through your mouth. Allow your body to find its natural rhythm and just breathe. Take this time to acknowledge your journey by recognizing where you started and how far you have come along. Be proud of just being you and accepting yourself for who you are, what you want, and what you deserve. We invite you to consent to your authentic self. Continue breathing here naturally. Place your hands in prayer mode and then bring them in this acceptance to the forefront of your crown. Inhale for 5 seconds through your nostrils, good thoughts about yourself. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. And on your exhale, sigh out all of this positive energy, allowing the power of authenticity to surround your aura. Now lower your prayer hands from your crown to your mouth. Bring the acceptance to the forefront of your lips. Inhale for 5 seconds through your nostrils, speaking optimism to yourself. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Then sigh out all of the energy, allowing the power of authenticity to surround your aura for 5 seconds. Let's bring your prayer hands from your mouth to your heart. Bring the acceptance to the forefront of the middle of your chest. Inhale for 5 seconds through your nostrils, believing in and loving yourself. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. And on your exhale, sigh it all out of the energy, allowing the power of authenticity to surround your aura. Release your hands down to your knees and ground yourself in all of the sensations that you are feeling from this practice. Allow your natural breathing to take over as your body is filled with empowerment and you are awakened to having full control over your outlook in this life. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. 2 more times. Another deep inhale in through your nostrils. Then exhale it out through your mouth with a deep sigh out. Again, take one last deep inhale in through your nostrils. Then exhale it out with a deep sigh. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am accepting my authentic self. I am optimistic. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power, and I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a deep breath in to prepare and exhale to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this accepting your authentic self meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.